So the mother bush is getting so full of open blooms right now. She looks so pretty. Thought I would show you. There's Chloe. Look, she's laying on the ground right here because there's just so many blooms. She's just laying on the ground. And it smells so good out here. Look how pretty those are. Just beautiful. Back up. You can see just gosh, hundreds of blooms right now. When she hits her peak, I think we're in the thousands. And then we'll get to the dieback. Ugh, so sad. Oh, anyway, we're gonna wait till she's done blooming before we prune. But she's gonna get cut back pretty hard. Pretty hard. Ugh, look at that. That makes me so sad, that right there. She used to be so full. Like, she was so full, 360-degree full. And now it's like the whole center has just died out. Guess she got too big for her britches. I don't know. Oh, but she's gonna get cut back. Just do a little bit of a reset. Not too much, but just cut her back. Maybe do a little deep root feeding. I don't know. Anyway. Ugh. So much. Yeah. Kind of like dead stuff. But the smell is still amazing. So many blooms. But there she is. The mother bush.